Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Caleb Silver, Editor-in-Chief over at Investopedia, and we're going to talk about gifting stock, crypto, and NFTs. That's a new one for this year. Caleb, great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Great to be with you as always, and happy holidays to you. And we're talking about a supply chain proof gift. Think about a digital gift and start with stock, Jill. Stock couldn't be any easier to transfer. You can buy fractional shares now. You can give them broker to broker. So the things you had to give stock is a broker account transfer. So if you have a brokerage account and you want to transfer to somebody else, that's the easiest way. If you want to set something up for your kids under 18, you set up a custodial account and transfer stock from one account to the other. Couldn't be easier. You can also go directly from the company, Jill. You can get a stock from a company, issue it directly to a person as a gift, and you can do it through online stock apps like Give a Share, Unique Stock, Spark Gift, Stockpile. There's a lot of apps out there to help you do it, but you got to keep a couple of things in mind. Stock gifts, Jill, under $15,000 are not taxed under the gift tax, or $30,000 for couples. So no taxes there if you're giving it under that amount. Lifetime exemption, if you want to give it through your estate, of up to $11.5 million. If you built up a lot of stock and want to give it, there's plenty of room to give stock there. And spouses, you can give your significant other stock with no gift tax at all. But if you do sell that stock for a profit within a year, that's short-term capital gains, or if you sell it within a year, after a year, long-term capital gains. So keep your eye on taxes.
And if you want to gift crypto, how is that treated? Is it similar to equity?
Similar to equity and easier than it's ever been, given all the accounts, but you have to have an account to do it. So you can do actual crypto gift cards, but if you're the recipient, you have to have a wallet or you have to have an account at one of the crypto exchanges to accept it. You can get crypto exchanges allow you to give gifts. So that's Coinbase, that's BinanceCrypto.com. You can give gifts to other people that have accounts there, or you can go wallet to wallet. But the key here is that both the giver and the recipient both need wallets in order for that exchange to happen. And like stocks, there is no gift tax if it's under $15,000 for an individual or $30,000 for couples. So keep that in mind. Behaves very much like a stock, but be aware of those gas fees for digital validation. There's extra fees that go in to gift giving in cryptocurrency that you need to be aware of.
Right. And let's wrap up and talk about NFTs. I don't think that was something we were thinking about last year, at least in terms of gift giving.
Yeah, if you want to give somebody the lazy apes or one of the penguins or any of the NFTs, you can do it these days. But again, it behaves very similar to cryptocurrency. You have to own, if you're going to give the NFT, you have to own it first before you give it. You can't just go pick it up at the store and give it to somebody else. You've got to buy it. It's got to be in your wallet. And the recipient also needs a wallet to accept that NFT, just like they would a cryptocurrency. You can also buy these on marketplaces. So you can buy NFTs on OpenSea, Larva Labs, or Nifty Gateway, give them that way. But again, the recipient needs a wallet in order to accept it. And just like stocks and just like cryptocurrency, you got to keep your eye on the price. If you sell that NFT for a short-term gain, you're going to pay taxes on it. If you sell it for a long-term gain, if there's a profit, there's going to be a tax on it. And you need to find that right marketplace in order to do it, to make sure that you can do it person to person. These are peer-to-peer gifts, but this is a way to beat the supply chain and give somebody something that could be worth a lot more one day, Jill.
All right, Caleb, we appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.